This is the KT Solar 300 watt solar blanket. It's one of our workshop favorites. We do use this all the time. I want to show you how you can actually unfold this panel. One of the cool things about it is it's got its own little travel pocket in here. In here you will find a 5-meter Anderson plug extension cord that's got its own little Velcro cable tie. You've also got some crocodile clamps to connect this to a battery, and it's got its own little charge regulator, and you can use it but you do not have to. The way you connect it is there's a plug in here, and if you just want to use the solar blanket on any battery, you plug in the extension cord, then you plug the extension cord into the solar input of the charge regulator. And now you can put the crocodile clamps into the battery connection side and just clip this to your battery. Then you can pick the battery type that you want to choose. You can go for standard lead acid, gel, AGM, and lithium batteries. You can also press this button to see either the voltage or the amperage going into the battery. But the great thing about this is you do not have to use the charge regulator. You can do this without the charge regulator. So I use one of these myself. I've usually got this stored in a drawer somewhere, because then it's easier to pack away. Because now everything fits really snug in here and it doesn't stick out that far. To set up the solar blanket, what I usually do is you just open the Velcro up, and then you fold out the solar blanket. Get that out of the way. You fold it over like that, and now you can get your extension cord out of here, plug that into your unregulated solar input of your car, caravan, boat, whatever you use, and you start charging straight away. You can get up to about 18 amp. I've sometimes had about 18.5 amp coming out of this solar blanket, and it's enough to charge a 100 amp hour lithium battery in one day, give or take, and depending on the weather conditions, obviously. To pack it up again, because we don't want things to take too long, all you need to do is fold it over, then fold it back up this way, put this over, the Velcro holds it. Now you just pack the cables in here, Velcro holds it, and you're done. You can easily do that in less than 1 minute. For more information, just click the link below, and thank you very much for watching.